Hey everybody, it's Derek here from HobbyBoxBreakers.com with tonight's 2012 Topps Tier 1 box break. And first we'll do the Topps Series 2 packs. 9 of them. Yeah, make sure you got 9. The hit has not come out of this box yet, so it may be in here. Matt Harrison, Prince Fielder, Michael Schwimmer, Joe DiMaggio, Buster Posey, Cliff Lee, Carlos Quentin, Nathan Eovaldi, John Mayberry, Toshioki Nishioka. Alexi Casilla, Shane Victorino, Houston Street, Kosuke Fukudome, Rafael Dolis, Giovanni Gallardo, Chase Utley, Carlos Pena, Travis Snyder, Alfonso Soriano. Andrew McCutchen, Chen-Ming Wong, Nelson Cruz, Joe Savory, Chase Utley, Chris Young, Kyle Drabeck, Ryan Kalish, Ricky Weeks. Carlos Zambrano, Alex Rodriguez, Garrett Richards, Alex Rodriguez, Bob Gibson, Mike Trout, C.J. Wilson, Trayvon Robinson, Rod Barajas, Dylan Gee. Tommy Hunter, Willie Bloomquist, Carlos Gonzalez, Toshinori Tadayama, Don Kelly, Jordan Walden, Jack Hanahan, Jonathan Lucroy, Carlos Marmol, Kelly Johnson. Ramon Hernandez, Carlos Santana, Matt Thornton, Nate McLeod, Andre Ethier, Dustin Pedroia, Daisuke Matsuzaka, Juan Francisco, Eric Hinsky, Evan Longoria. Kyle Farnsworth, Salvador Perez, Matt Downs, David Carpenter, Grant Balfour, Sergio Romo, Vinny Pestano, Randall Delgado, Kendrys Morales. Andres Torres, Joel Hanrahan, Edwin Encarnacion, Sergio Romo, Rod Barajas, Andres Torres, Dustin Pedroia, Sean Marshall, Julio Tejera, and BJ Upton. Last pack, so last shot at a hit. Chris Heisey, Jonathan Herrera, Chris Capuano, Tyler Green, Evan Longoria, Alex Gordon, Josh Colmender, Mike Karp, Jose Molina, and Adam LaRoche. So no bonus hit out of this. But maybe there could be 4 in here. Some boxes have 4. There's the watermarks as shown on the video earlier. The preview video. Okay, so the first auto, Aroldis Chapman, silver ink for the Reds. The second auto, it's for the Blue Jays, Adam, the crowd pleaser. His wasn't on the rise, I think. Not that it really matters, but Adam Lind for the Blue Jays, who's had a less than spectacular season. And the relic is a triple relic of Jeremy Hellickson for the Rays. So the Chapman's nice. The other two are sort of so-so, but can't run them all. We'll be back with another one of these it's up on eBay right now, and it will end on Wednesday. Probably do another one for the weekend, and we'll be doing Ginter when it comes out. And there's also a couple football up, and then 4 baseball breaks for Wednesday. So check those out. Thanks again.